Ever wonder what space travel may look like in the next 50 years? As we gaze up at the star-studded canvas of the night sky, our minds can't help but ponder over this very question. You see, space travel is no longer a figment of science fiction. It's a reality we're living in, and it's evolving at a pace that's nothing short of extraordinary. In recent years, we've witnessed a resurgence of interest in space exploration. No longer is it the sole arena of national space agencies. Private companies, driven by visionaries with a passion for the cosmos, are taking up the mantle, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the final frontier. Take SpaceX, for instance. Their goal? Nothing less than making life multi-planetary. Or consider Blue Origin, who envisions millions of people living and working in space. And there's Virgin Galactic, aiming to make space tourism a reality, and these are just the tip of the iceberg. National space agencies aren't being left behind either. NASA is planning to return humans to the moon through their Artemis program, while the European Space Agency is looking at moon villages. China, too, has its sights set on lunar exploration. Now, this new space race isn't just about reaching further into the cosmos. It's about harnessing the power of advancing technology to make space travel safer, more efficient, and more accessible than ever before. We're talking about reusable rockets, nuclear propulsion, and even space elevators. It's about exploring the unknown, yes, but it's also about ensuring a future where space travel is as commonplace as hopping on a plane. But what does this all mean for the future of space travel? Well, if the present is any indication, the next 50 years are set to be a thrilling ride. We'll see humans venturing further into space, setting foot on new worlds, and perhaps even discovering life beyond Earth, so buckle up as we journey into the future of space travel. Imagine, in the not-so-distant future, humans setting foot on Mars. But before we take that giant leap, let's first return to our nearest celestial neighbor, the Moon. NASA's Artemis program, with a timeline set for the mid-20s, aims to land the first woman and the next man on the lunar surface. This will mark the first manned mission to the moon since the final Apollo landing in 1972. The Artemis program isn't just about making footprints, though. It's a stepping stone, a testing ground for the technologies and techniques we'll need for future Mars missions. Speaking of Mars, we shift our gaze next to SpaceX's ambitious plans. Elon Musk, the company's CEO, has a vision for a manned mission to the Red Planet within this decade. He's not just talking about planting a flag and leaving either. Musk envisions a functioning, self-sustaining colony on Mars, a city where thousands and eventually millions of people could live and work. Now, let's not kid ourselves. Establishing a human colony on Mars is a monumental task. It's not just about getting there, it's about staying there. We'll need to figure out how to grow food, generate power, and deal with the Martian environment. But the potential rewards are enormous. For one, it could ensure the survival of the human species in case of a catastrophic event on Earth. And Mars is just the beginning. The solar system is full of other destinations. From the cloud tops of Venus to the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn, there's a whole universe out there waiting to be explored. Who knows, maybe one day we'll even find life out there, answering one of the most profound questions: are we alone in the universe? From the moon to Mars and beyond, the next few decades promise to be a thrilling ride. But it's not all smooth sailing, or should we say smooth flying. As we chart our course towards the stars, we must brace ourselves for the hurdles that lie ahead. The significant technical difficulties of future space travel cannot be overstated. We're not just talking about building bigger rockets or creating more durable spacecraft. The complexities extend to developing technologies that can sustain human life in the harsh conditions of outer space for extended periods. Then, there are the physical and mental health risks that astronauts face. The zero-gravity environment can wreak havoc on the human body, causing muscle atrophy and bone density loss. The isolation and confinement can also lead to psychological issues. There's a need for extensive research and innovative solutions to mitigate these risks and ensure the well-being of our astral adventurers. And let's not forget the financial elephant in the room. The cost of space exploration is astronomical, pun intended. It requires not just financial investment, but also a commitment of resources, time, and human capital. It's a high-risk, high-reward venture, and striking the right balance between ambition and practicality is crucial. Moreover, there are ethical considerations to ponder. The prospect of colonizing other planets raises questions about our responsibility towards these celestial bodies and the potential life forms they may harbor. We must tread carefully, ensuring our exploration doesn't turn into exploitation. In navigating these challenges, the spirit of international cooperation will be vital. Space is a shared frontier, and its exploration requires a collective effort. Regulations need to be put in place to prevent conflicts and ensure fair access. The cosmos should not become a playground for the privileged few, but a realm of opportunity for all. The road ahead is fraught with challenges, but the human spirit of exploration remains undeterred. We're dreamers, pioneers, explorers. We've climbed the highest mountains, dived into the deepest oceans, and now we're reaching for the stars. The journey won't be easy, but it's a journey we're determined to undertake. Because in the end, the view from the top is always worth the climb. So why go through all this trouble to venture into the unknown? Well, the reasons are as vast as the cosmos itself. Let's start with the scientific discoveries. Every journey into space brings us new knowledge about the universe we inhabit. We learn about celestial bodies, the nature of time and space, and the origins of our own planet. With each mission, we unravel the mysteries of the cosmos, inching closer to understanding our place in the grand scheme of things. Then there are the technological advancements. Space exploration has been a driving force behind some of the most significant innovations of the past century. From satellite technology that powers our global communication networks, to advances in materials science and robotics, space travel pushes the boundaries of what's possible. It's a catalyst for innovation that has far-reaching effects, impacting industries across the globe and our daily lives. Next, let's consider resource extraction. With Earth's resources becoming increasingly scarce, the vast wealth of minerals and other materials found on asteroids, the moon, or even Mars could be key to our future survival. Space travel could usher in a new era of resource abundance, transforming our economies and potentially averting resource-based conflicts. And finally, there's the inspiration factor. Space travel fires up our collective imagination. It motivates the next generation of scientists, engineers, and dreamers to push the limits of their potential. The prospect of exploring new worlds, of venturing where no one has gone before, has a unique power to inspire. It encourages us to dream big, to strive for the seemingly impossible. So, in essence, space travel is not just about exploring the stars. It's about scientific discovery, technological progress, resource security, and inspiring future generations. It's about who we are as a species and who we could become. It's about the very essence of human curiosity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. The rewards, it seems, are well worth the risks. In the end, it all comes down to our innate desire to explore and understand our place in the universe. The cosmos, with its infinite expanse of stars, planets, and galaxies, has always been the final frontier for mankind. And as we venture further into the unknown, we continue to push the boundaries of our knowledge and capabilities. Space travel is more than just a technological marvel. It's a testament to the triumph of human curiosity and innovation. It's the embodiment of our relentless need to venture beyond the horizon, to seek what lies beyond. It's a journey that began with a single step on the moon, and now strides towards Mars, the outer planets, and even the distant stars. The future of space travel offers endless possibilities. Imagine a time when interstellar travel becomes as commonplace as catching a flight to another city. Picture a day when we establish colonies on other planets, transforming the inhospitable into the habitable. Envision a world where we harness the resources of asteroids, providing a solution to our ever-growing demand for materials. But the path to this future isn't without its challenges. Space is a hostile environment, fraught with dangers that test the limits of human resilience. The technological hurdles are immense, requiring advancements that seem almost impossible today. And yet, it's these challenges that make the journey all the more worthwhile. The investment in space exploration is an investment in our future. It's not just about reaching new worlds, but about understanding our own. It's about pushing the boundaries of our knowledge, sparking interest in science and technology, and inspiring the next generation of explorers. As we continue to unlock the secrets of the universe, we pave the way for discoveries that have the potential to transform our lives. From advancements in technology and medicine to a deeper understanding of our planet and its place in the cosmos, the benefits of space exploration are far-reaching. As we stand on the brink of a new era in space travel, one thing is certain: the journey has only just begun.